Hello, welcome to Lego Creations. Today we're going to build 2 TVs, televisions, and a gun. So today we'll start out with the gun.
Okay, you're going to need 3 simple pieces. This shouldn't have to be shiny gray.
It could be any color, so...
Connect those there, like that. And put this piece on. There, it's like a little machine gun thing. Now, my machine. My TV. Okay. Connect. We'll need these pieces. Connect those like that. Now put these plain grays on. Now these like weird ones on. There. That. Now put that. Well, this can be any color. And this. Okay, now put this gray down on top. Now this black. That. Put him. That head. There. And I'll put that on top.
And that's his. And now this is going to be mine. Alright. First you need 1 flat piece. That. And another one. These 2, stack them up. And then you just get black piece right here on the back, on the side. And like that. Snap that. Put it on the other side. Snap. And this. And this. Now one on that side. There. This on the back. Like one of those pieces that are on the side. But just put it on the back. Put it on the back. And like that. Done. And then you get another piece, stack it up like that. Then get a flat piece, put it on top, and all done. And this is a desk I made, the little table, and then you put that on top. They'll put it wherever you want it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.